All right, good morning. So today we're going to be working in our math book. We're going to be on chapter 11, lesson 8 on page 667, right down here. We're still talking about how we can compare shapes, so that's still our essential question. We're going to use some problem solving techniques today, and the specific strategy that we're going to use is using logical reasoning. So we're looking here at this picture, and it's saying what shapes are missing. So we're going to look at this right here. What shapes do you see here? I see two triangles and then this shape. Do you remember what the shape is called? That's right, it's a hexagon. So what we're going to do is we are going to trace the shapes down here. So I'm going to trace my hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to also trace my triangles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to make this cat's head, we had one hexagon and two triangles. Very nice. Okay, we're going to turn the page. Now, this one says, what shapes are missing? And we're going to talk about this sign right here. So I am going to look at it and see right here, looks like a triangle, that tip. So I'm going to draw a line so that I remember that that's my triangle. And then I'm going to draw a triangle down here. Okay? And then this, if you remember yesterday, kind of looks like a rectangle made from two squares. So if I draw right down the middle, it looks like 1, 2 squares and one triangle. So I'm going to draw my squares down here. 1, 2. Very nice. So make sure you draw your two squares and your triangle. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect. If the oils doesn't look perfect, and that's totally fine. Okay, now we're going to turn our page. Okay, we are going to figure out what shapes are missing for this caterpillar. So let's first talk about what we see right here. And I want you to think to yourself, what shape does that look like? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. So do you think that this right next to it kind of looks like a hexagon? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just missing this side. Let's draw that side in. And let's count the sides again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We used two hexagons. We're going to draw our hexagons. So you draw one line and another like that, kind of like a triangle. Then a line down, another diagonal line, line up. It's a hexagon. And another one. Diagonal, diagonal, down, diagonal, diagonal. Definitely not perfect, but that's okay. Go ahead and draw your two hexagons. Okay, if you need a little bit more time, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to turn to the next page. Okay, we are going to look at this page right here. So what shapes are missing? So this is what we're missing right here. What do you think is missing from this? What shape does it kind of look like it could be? It looks like it's a rectangle, okay? But do you think that there's a way that we could break that rectangle into smaller things? I definitely think so. Do you think we could draw a line down the middle and make 2 squares? Yeah. So go ahead and draw your line down the middle. And then we're going to draw 2 squares. Like that. Very nice. Okay. Now, just as a little question, what shape does this look like? That's right, it looks like a circle. Does a circle have any sides? Nope. Does it have any vertices? No, it's round. What about a square? How many sides does a square have? That's right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many vertices? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. All right, I believe this is our last page. We're going to turn just to check. All right, so we've completed this math section. If you would like to continue working, you may totally go ahead and work on the homework section of this. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, we were using problem solving, so we were using shapes to figure out what makes these bigger shapes. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.